Stay along, guys. Yes, stay and watch what I'm gonna do. Welcome in, guys. I have here with me National Natural Brand Slice Bread. Here I have a few slices over here, and this is the butter that I'm using, guys. This is the chiffon butter, and I started to butter a few slices here as well. I'm going to use some cheese, and this is the cheese here, guys. So we're going to prepare cheese sandwich. Stay tuned, guys, and you will see the outcome, right? Delicious cheese sandwich gonna prepare right here. Yes, gonna use this knife here, so to take the butter and yes, butter my bread. Stay tuned, guys, to see the finished product. Delicious sandwich, cheese sandwich it is, with chiffon butter. Here it is, and cheese right there. Yum, 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 yum. Some benefit of cheese, guys, is that cheese contains calcium that strengthens our bones and our teeth. Consuming too much cheese can cause problems like gas or bloating. Yes, guys, excessive intake of cheese may cause constipation. So, guys, when consuming cheese, we ought to consume in moderation. Delicious cheese, but in moderation, guys. Thin slices of cheese, guys, very thin slices. Thin slices of cheese, guys, very thin slices. So this is what my sandwich started to look like, guys. There is the butter on the bread. There is the cheese on the bread. There is the butter there. There is the cheese. Here's my sandwich. That's the bread. That's some cheese sandwiches. Cheese sandwich it is, guys. Yeah, cheese sandwich. Here it is, guys. My cheese sandwich. Finished prepare. To top it off is some delicious high school lemonade. Wow. Yum, 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 guys. Take a slice. Yeah. Come in and take a slice, guys. Very delicious. Yes. Try this nut, guys. Cheese sandwich with butter as well as some lemonade. Icy cool lemonade. Look at it. Ooh, delicious, guys. Ooh. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, comment, comment too, guys. Yes, comment.